How can your child confidently join a Welsh medium school or stream, even if they haven't spoken Welsh before? At the Canolfan Iaith, we're here to help your child begin their bilingual journey with confidence. The main goal for children that take part in the Welsh immersion programme is that they get the confidence to be able to follow the Welsh education system in Powys and to thrive, and that they become bilingual and that they can thrive and do what they want and be part of the community and the school in Powys.
Pan roedd fi'n dod yma, roedd fi ddim yn gallu deall be mae pawb yn dweud. Roedd o'n really confusing. Ond ar ôl mynd i'r canolfan, roedd fi'n just gwybod. Fi'n gallu just clywed a gwybod be mae nhw'n dweud. A roedd pawb yn dipyn amazed achos roedd nhw'n fel, ti'n gwybod gair yna nawr.
I was really worried obviously about doing it because I don't speak Welsh and their dad doesn't speak Welsh, so I thought they were going to struggle, but within a couple of months they were like fluent Welsh, and it's amazing. They're like little sponges and they just managed to basically crack on with it. They were absolutely fantastic.
Waith y trochi helpu fi codi hyder yn wneud pethau o dydd I dydd.
Rydw i mwynhau dysgu Cymraeg. Dwi'n hoffi trochi.
Mae'r rhaglen trochi yn hanfodol bwysig wrth cefnogi'r plant sydd yn newydd i'r iaith. Ni siarad fan yn plant sydd yn dod o deuluoedd hollol Saesneg a nawr maen nhw'n datblygu sgiliau I siarad yn hyderus, I gyfathrebu gyda oedolion ac I gyfoedion yn y Cymraeg, a maen nhw wedi dysgu wneud hwn yn awyrgylch hollol hamddenol ac ymlaciol yn y trochi yn y cyfnod cynradd gyda ni fan hyn, ac maen nhw'n datblygu I fod yn rili hyderus yn defnyddio'r sgiliau'r iaith hefyd.
To anyone that is new to the centre, I would say enjoy yourself, and it's really good that you're trying to learn a new language.
Roedd o'n dipyn challenging, ond nawr dwi'n just siarad a mae'n mynd yn well a well pob dydd.
Both of their experiences, one's still doing it, one's finished. So the one that's finished absolutely loved it and was really upset when it finished. He wanted to go and do it again. The one that's still in there, again, absolutely loving it. It's quite nice getting them into school in the mornings at the moment because they love being in the trochi.
If I could share one message to any parents considering the Welsh Immersion project for their children, it would be to go for it. Children are sponges, they pick up languages up so easily. It's actually quite scary how quickly they become fluent. And I know a lot of the time that the worries come from your role as a parent, considering, well, how can I help with the schoolwork, with homework and so on. But there's, the equal amount of support out there for parents as well. Use your children's teachers as a resource as well. They will happily help with anything. And if you are on a Welsh language journey yourself, again, discuss it with the schools and they will support you every step of the way.
For more information, search for Destination Bilingual.